Today I want to show you guys on how to deactivate your Facebook account. It's easy. So now let's start. First, you need to open your Facebook app and log in with your account. And then, home, there are 3 lines at the bottom. And scroll down to go setting. And click personal and account information. And choose account ownership and control. And then choose the activation and deletion. And next, you need to choose the activate account and continue. Deactivate your account. Reason. Enter your reason for deactivating. And continue. Next, you need to click the deactivate my account.